Hi, this is Beamer, and today we're taking apart and cleaning a moped carburetor. We've already taken it apart and cleaned it, and now we're going to start putting everything back together. With your body, you want to start with the float and the needle that goes into it. And the needle usually slides onto a little metal fitting right here. The needle has a grooved back so it can slide into there. And you take this, and the hole where it's supposed to be, you just want to slide it in so the needle goes right into that hole. Take the pin that we already pulled out of it. Can't get this thing in. There we go. Can't get this thing in. There we go. Okay, now that the pin's in there, make sure the float moves up and down freely without getting stuck anywhere. From there, we can reattach the jet. Out of the hole it came in, just screw it right back in there. Okay. And then we can reattach the float bowl. Now you want to tighten it, but you don't want to tighten it too much. It can strip the carb body, which would render it useless, and you'd have to buy a completely new carb. So just give it about half a turn where you're comfortable with it. There's a rubber fitting so the gas can't leak out of it. So as long as it's tightly up against that, you're fine. Now you take the main slide, and you'll notice there's the pin inside. There's a small metal fitting that goes around the pin. There's multiple different grooves on there, and that all depends the setting of the pin. Usually it's second from the top, but so if you ever take that off, just remember where it originally came from. Slide that back on, and there's usually a protective metal piece that goes on top of that. And that's how you put the carb body back together.